folks, WeFire88 here, back with another fan video, and what we're looking at here today is this 52-inch Hunter Summit. Essentially, this fan is just a 44-inch Coastal Breeze. That's honestly what this fan is. It's just a Coastal Breeze with 52-inch blades. But it's in very nice shape. I got this from Cleanup Week a few years ago now. Got a little ding in the housing. It's got the older style Hunter mounting hardware. Just freaking find the sticker, there it is. All the way on the back, of course. It is from the second quarter of 1992, I believe, is what it says on there. But yeah, not a bad looking fan at all. Anyway, let's demonstrate this thing, shall we? Here's low. I will tell you guys this, when I got this fan, I was expecting it to, function as it should. Nope. When you turn this thing on, it would just run on medium speed and the pull chain wouldn't do anything. So I took the switch cap off and figured out why it was only working on medium. It was because somebody got in there and did some wiring themselves and only made it run on medium speed, but I figured it out so it functions on all three speeds again. So yeah, I'm not sure why that they did that to this, but yeah. Take it up to medium. Really not a bad performer at all. It is a little droopy, I must add. Does wobble a little bit. All right, here's high speed. Pull chain does a little dance. Yeah, here it goes. Oh yeah, giving people mad anxiety with the freaking lines like that. This thing runs really good. Like, after I figured out why it wasn't working correctly, like, this thing runs like fantastic. Like, high speed is great, as you can see. And it's very quiet. I'm not really hearing any bearing noise, no motor noise. The only bearings I can hear right now are the fan next to it, which I'm not going to reveal yet. But yeah. Close-up shot. This thing runs really good for a Hunter. Alrighty, we'll do spin down now. Spin down. I believe these fans were also sold in antique brass too, and white. I think those were the only other finishes offered for these. And brass, that would make sense. Have all, like, just have all the flavors of the rainbow. All colors of the rainbow is what I should say. I do like how this looks now that I've re-hung it up. Hung it back up here, it looks, I like it. This might be a fan that might end up in my room next or something, I don't know. Really, not a bad hunter at all. Alright, so the fan has now come to a complete stop. I will end the video here, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.